Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, I know on my video that I did with the egg rolls, I made 2 videos that day and I was supposed to put out another video, but some of my footage got lost, so that second video I was not able to put out, and I'm so sad about that. But I will remake it, but I'm not going to do it today. Today I am going to make y'all a crepe cake. So let's get ready to do it. For the crepe cake, we're going to have to put in flour, sugar, eggs, also milk and melted butter, and then I have the 6 glasses. I didn't use bowls because I just figured glasses wouldn't take up as much room on my counter, so this will work just fine. So once we get everything mixed, we're going to put them in here evenly, and then I have color-wise, I'm going to make some pink, blue, orange, purple, green, and yellow. And I also had 2 tubs of Cool Whip, and they're just off-brand because I was already had, which, hey, it tastes good too, so that's fine. I got them out so they can start defrosting. All right, so let's get with it. So this is going to make 2 1/4 cups of flour. And we need 7 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, and then we'll mix the sugar and the flour together. Alright, now to this I'm going to add in the 6 eggs. Oh, please cut that. What's wrong with me today? Oh, Lord. Okay. Alrighty, we got one more. Grab me a hand towel. Alright, we're going to mix this up. Now, crepe cake, or crepes, period, comes from French. Forgot to vlog that out. Okay. Alright.
Go ahead.
Okay. It comes from France. But this is my first time making one. I've seen it on YouTube, and it looks really good. So, hey, I'm gonna give it a try. All right. Get some of that out of there. All right. Okay. It looks like it's mixed up good. Okay, now we're going to have to get some milk. Okay, now we're going to have to add 3 cups of milk, and then 6 tablespoons of butter that's been melted. But we're going to have to add some milk, mix it, then add a little bit of butter and mix it, and keep doing that until we get it all combined. Okay, so I'm going to start off adding a little bit of this. Okay, then we'll add a little bit of butter. And then some more milk. And a little bit more butter. Got it all mixed in. Everything's good. Now, you know, the rainbow has 7 colors, but I decided to do just 6 colors. So what I'm going to do is put a cup of this in each one of these glasses, and then whatever's left, I'm just going to distribute it among them evenly to take care of the other one that I didn't do, if that makes sense. Okay, everything's set up so I can do it. I'm just going to put a couple drops and stir it until I get it the color that I want, and then, you know, add more if I need it. I'm going to use a third cup to measure it to make, well, a third cup to make one. So I'm going to do each color. Okay. This is my first time ever doing this, so I'm going to see. Try to get the size to come up some. Alrighty.
Look how pretty.
Should make it a little bit better on there. Very pretty color. Yeah, maybe the second one would turn out better. This is the second one I did, and I think I finally got it. Next I'm going to do yellow. Oh, look how pretty. Try to just get it around where it's even. Till all the liquid stops moving around. Let's see what that does. I'm going to give it about 40 seconds and then I'll check in and see. Very pretty color though. This is going to be kind of like a early Easter crepe cake because all these colors that I use are actually all pastel colors. So this is actually really great if it turns out good. You start seeing bubbles like this start coming up, that means it's about time to start trying to get it to come up, if it will, and then be ready to flip it. This is like an indication. I learned that already here. I know I got some of my pink on here, but it's going to be okay. It shouldn't hurt nothing. Okay, let's see if I can get it to come up now. This is hot, so you have to be careful. Hot, hot. Oh, beautiful though. Okay. This should be good. Oh, beautiful. Now we're going to do purple. Pretty. Pretty colors. Alrighty. Purple. Very pretty. Just trying to get it where it till it stops running. That's pretty much it. Just wait till it starts little bubbles and then I'll start working it up. Alright, next is blue. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty. Blue. Now we have orange. Pretty. Oh, these colors. Very pretty. Oh, beautiful. We got all of them done. Oh, and they turned out beautiful. But now we need to let them cool off. And then we'll put the Cool Whip in them and put it all together. See, now they're all cooled off and I've separated them so we can just keep them in the order we need them to be. All right, so I'm going to start with the purple. Lay it down. Oh, this is going to be so good. Try to make sure I get it all out on the edges good. I can clean up whatever mess I make. Now make sure I get it lined back up now. I better make sure I put them in there straight so it doesn't slide. I mean, it won't slide that easy once you lay it. So try to make sure if you do it, it's lined up. Got all the layers filled. Now I'm going to cover it up and smooth out sides with it. And then I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator and let it get cold. Oh, this is going to be good, I do believe. Smooth it out. Okay, it's all iced up. Now I'm going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator. And once it gets cold, we'll be back to finish topping it off with a little bit of something I'm going to put on there and do a taste test. Now we're going to try. It is falling apart. But it tastes good. Yeah, I'm gonna try some of this banana with it. I cut up some banana, we'll see. Let me try it with it so I can see how it tastes. Banana is good with it. It's very good. With that being said, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.